I want to sleep. I'm tired, but I can't.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. You got the way that you want, make tell me with this up in come. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No. I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it, baby. I'm gonna get a one, make you, baby.
Hi. Shuttle. No class tomorrow. Are you okay? You're stuck.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No, go bambo.
Cut on fresh, my car.
Are you coming over? I'm so taking a video. Okay, do you have something else? And write your name, just your name. Come back to this way. Vlogger!
Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel.
Basically, this is what every YouTuber does. Do you grab the idea? So that's it from me, guys. Bye. Lots of kisses. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing Victoria and I hope you love the content I serve on this channel. Basically lifestyle, school and chit chat with friends. So I hope you are here for a long ride. Bye. Hi guys, good afternoon. So we've been in school since 7 and we'll be in school till 4 because a class was postponed. This is the struggle. This is the reality. It's painful. It's excruciating. I'm devastated. I'm not frustrated. I'm hungry. I've not eaten. Time. Sorry, like it's not giving. The vibe is not vibing.